Streamline your entire dispatch workflow. Create and manage orders effortlessly on Cargo. Click the icon in the upper left corner to expand the menu. Hover over navigation and select Orders. You can view your new, assigned, picked up, delivered, and all orders in this page. Click the plus button to create an order. Input your order ID and assign a driver. Once assigned, your driver can complete the pickup on the Cargo mobile app, and inspection photos will automatically sync to your files area. Next, click Add Vehicle to enter the details, including the VIN, year, make, model, and color. Save the vehicle, and if you're hauling multiple units, simply repeat this step to add more. Fill in the pickup location details: company name, contact person, phone number, address, email, and estimated pickup date. Provide those same details for the drop-off location. Enter the payment terms, noting the difference between carrier payment and total amount to collect. Once the driver collects the payment, it will show in the Payments section as collected. Admins can also set different payment methods for COP or COD in the Organization Settings page. Then scroll down to add your customer's contact information. Keep in mind, your customer is your shipper, whether they're a broker, dealer, or an individual shipper. Cargo automatically saves their details once the order is created. Next, attach your documents and choose where they go. Use order files for documents everyone, including drivers, need to see, like gate passes, instructions, and others. Use dispatch files for internal office docs and add optional notes if needed. Alternatively, save time by importing a dispatch sheet from Central Dispatch or other platforms. Just click the gear icon, select Import, upload your document, and review the details. Cargo pre-fills the order and automatically attaches your original dispatch sheet. Once everything looks good, click Save, and you're done. You've successfully created and assigned your order. Cargo automatically saves your new contacts, making recurring orders even faster next time.